Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you use your Owlet Dream Sock without Wi-Fi. So here's a guide for your offline limits, setup options, and workarounds. To use the Owlet Dream Sock without Wi-Fi, you can use the Owlet Dream Sock without an active Wi-Fi connection. But for some features, that will be limited. The sock and base station can still communicate with each other over Bluetooth, allowing local monitoring and base station alerts. However, the mobile requires Wi-Fi for live readings and remote access. What works without Wi-Fi? The Dream Sock continues to monitor your baby's sleep while connected to the base station. The base station provides audible and visual alerts if attention is needed. The sensor communicates directly with the base station via Bluetooth as long as they are within range for about 30 feet. How to use it offline? You can follow the below steps. Make sure the Dream Sock has already been set up and paired with the base station. Charge the sock sensor fully. Plug the base station into a power outlet. Place the sock onto your baby's foot as instructed. Keep the sock and base station within Bluetooth range. Monitor alerts from the base station while Wi-Fi is unavailable. So here are features that won't work without Wi-Fi. Live readings in the Owlet Dream app, remote monitoring from your phone, sleep data syncing to the cloud, app notification, and sleep insight. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.